Hello teacher. Sa video po na to, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano gumawa o halimbawa or sample ng ating LRMDS Action Plan, okay, for Learning Resources Management Development System. Okay, kung kayo ba ay LRMDS Coordinator, so ano ba yung mga activities na pwede nyong gawin for your school? Okay, this is a school action plan for LRMDS. Okay, so muli kasama ninyo si Teacher Bean. Bago natin simulan tong video na to, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please click mo yung subscribe at yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga latest educational video. Okay, so narito yung halimbawa ng ating action plan for LRMDS. So, meron tayong timeline, activities, persons involved, expected outcomes, and budgetary requirements. Okay, so na-divide siya in 5 columns. Okay, then we have here sa timeline, meron po tayong first quarter, yung September to October. Then meron din tayong second quarter natin to November to December 2021. And then third quarter na January to March. At yung ating fourth quarter na April to June. Okay, so nakabase lahat yan sa ating school calendar for this school year and activities. So ngayon, ano ba yung mga activities na pwede natin gawin in different timeline na to? Okay, so in preparation for LRMDS. Now, we have activities for seek approval of the action plan. Of course, kailangan magplano kayo ano ba yung mga activities na naiisip nyo for this new normal na pwedeng ilagay sa ating action plan. Okay, so ano ba yung appropriate na activities na involved at this time of distance learning, di ba? Then, sino ba yung mga, okay, so first we have here, of course, ang ating mga involved yung ating mga SLR or yung ating LRMDS sa school, and then yung coordinator at yung mga ating school head. Then, sa kanila natin sasubmit or yung ating proposed action plan, okay, to verify and to check, and then yung expected outputs, yung approved action plan. At wala naman po tayong budgetary requirements on that. Then, we have inventory of SLMs and LAS. Okay, so ito mahalaga din to kasi for this school year, we need to inventory yung mga LAS na and activities or modules na ating natanggap o na-receive and na-print last school year. So, kasama po yan. So, tayo pa rin ang involved, pati yung mga class advisors involved na rin dito. And then, list of inventory. So, yun po yun. You may need to list or count kung ilan pa yung kulang na pwede natin i-request for our divisions. Diba? That tally for the enrollment for this school year. Okay? Now, we have here the next one. Provide and initiate the promotion of DepEd TV and Tulay tutorial to all the learners and teachers. Okay, so as kasama din to sa ating mga resources na pinopromote natin bilang LRMDS, so kailangan ma-involve dito lahat, all the teachers and learners. Okay, so we need an evidence of learning engagement that they watch and promote the DepEd TV na pinapanood nila yan and Tulay tutorials that help them in their daily activities and to support their modular learning. Okay, so kasama po yan na ating dapat ilagay. Then, monitor and uploaded SLM and activities in the LRMDS portal. Kailangan nating i-monitor din kung meron bang mga activities, meron bang mga tawag dito, not only the activities, ano ba yung mga uploaded SLM, meron bang mga newest, updated na mga activities or activity sheets na nilagay sa ating LRMDS portal. So, kailangan natin ma-update doon as LRMDS Core. And we need to download the file from the portal to share to our teachers in the school. Okay, then, train teacher on how to navigate the LRMDS portal. Okay, pwede to through Slack sessions. So, kailangan maturuan po natin ating mga teachers on how to search and to download file in LRMDS portal, okay? Because lahat ng mga files din are validated with our Department of Education. Okay, so ano ba yung mga pwedeng mga pictures, PowerPoint presentations na pwede nilang makuha doon. And then, facilitate school last scene modules development, initial quality assurance, and submissions to the divisions. Dito, kailangan ma-encourage din natin yung ating mga teachers to produce, to make learning activity sheets that are appropriate for the level of their learners. Okay, so ano ba yung mga parts, Okay, matulungan natin sila na makagawa ng proposal on that at masubmit sa division office natin for validation. So, malaking tulong po yan, okay, sa paggawa. Kasi continuous talaga ngayon yung mga paggawa natin ng mga learning materials para makatulong sa ating mga learners. Next, for the second quarter of November to December, we need to receive a communication from the Division LRMDS. Okay, so kasama yan with our everyday communication with our LRMDS division. So, kailangan yung memo disseminated, kailangan yung mga, kung may mga updated na mga memos, kailangan i-disseminate natin sa ating mga teachers. Okay, ang involved dito yung ating school coordinator, teachers, and division office. Okay, so next is encourage and development of digitalized summative test. Okay, dapat encourage din po natin yung ating mga teachers and train them kung paano gumawa ng mga makabago na talaga na application of technology kasi we need to produce some learning instructions or materials that appropriate to distance learning with the use of technology and innovation of that. So, talagang dapat kasama po yun. Okay, then facilitate school learning resources development, quality assurance, and submission. Ito whole year naman to. Nabanggit ko na to sa first quarter na kailangan encouraging. Next is for the third quarter. Okay, we need to, yung pa rin, receive communication from the Division LRMDS. Okay, then coordinator, subject teachers, master teachers involved din dyan, at Division LRMS developers. Okay, memo disseminated, and then inventory of the SLM, ganun pa rin. Then provide tutorial videos on the use of different ICT application in teaching and access in LRMDS portal. Okay, so whole year round din to. We need to provide tutorials sa kanila. Maganda po yan. Okay, para hindi nila ma-manage nila kung paano ma-access yung portal. And disseminate the memo to the school and facilitate also last assurance and submissions, and then initiate last development for different grade level. So, maganda po na i-develop natin or encourage natin ang ating mga schools in our na different grade level na mag-produce ng mga last. Okay, so maganda rin po kasing learning materials yan ngayon, distance learning. And next we have here, ito naman yung sumunod, for the fourth quarter. Okay, for the fourth quarter, we need to receive pa rin communication, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yun, and disseminate the memo, and facilitate school last development. Okay, so pwede rin po dito encourage natin to attend some trainings and online sessions regarding the LRMDS management or Learning Resources Management System. Pwede po natin ilagay dyan. Okay, because minsan naman yung mga trainings, okay, nilalabas naman yan through memo. So, pwede natin ilagay din dyan sa whole year round po yun. Pwede po yun na ating activities. So, kung meron kayong mga dinevelop na portal or tulad ng mga other websites or tinatawag na group or page kung saan nag-update ang mga LRMDS natin, okay, kung dinevelop nyo yan as a coordinator, coordinator of LRM, so maganda po yun. So, pwede nyo ring ilagay dito kung paano nila ma-access. So, maganda yung innovation nyo as an LRMDS coordinator, yung gumawa kayo na isang group or isang FB page or website kung saan sila ma-access yung mga files na from the DepEd, okay, na dun yung nilalagay yung mga SLMs, okay, so, na member lang ay yung inyong teacher, mga teachers privately. So, pwede po yun. Or sites na pwede kayong gumawa kung saan yung mga pinroduce nyo sarili activity sheets where they can access, di ba? Okay, pwede po doon yung sarili nyo mga pinroduce para madali nilang makuha, ma-download, di ba? In different grade level. Maganda po yun, iba-ibang grade level para doon nila i-access kung kailangan nilang kumuha anytime. So, madali lang siyang manavigate. Diba? So, isa po yan sa pwede nyo maging innovation as LRMDS Core. At yun nga, sa paggawa din ng mga LAS, isa din yung innovation or modules, diba? Makakatulong din po yan. Okay, so, kung meron po kayong mga additional activities pa na pwede nyo malagay, pwede po nyo ilagay dito. Edit nyo lang po siya sa mga activities. So, marami pa pong mga activities or targets natin at this distance learning na pwede nyo ilagay sa inyong action plan that's suitable for your school, okay, in your modality na ginagamit, in your blended or online class na pwede nyo pong ilagay dito na makakatulong for your teachers and for your school. Okay? So, ngayon po, kung meron po tayong tanong sa video na to, wag lang po kayong mahiya. Type nyo lang sa comment section sa baba. At if nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please click the like button. So, kung gusto nyo po magkaroon ng copy nito, please, pwede po kayong mag-join sa Grade 4 Teachers, Grade 4 DepEd Teachers na aking group or Teacher Bean sa FB. Okay? So, maraming salamat, teacher. Till next time, with Teacher Bean.